Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term stock response. Introduction. In the realm of literary criticism, the concept of stock response refers to a derogatory term used to describe habitual and stereotyped reactions of both authors and readers to literary passages or texts. It suggests a lack of genuine and apt responsiveness to the work, indicating a failure to engage with its nuances and complexities. This video aims to explore the phenomenon of stock response in literature, its implications on understanding and appreciating literary works, and its relevance in modern criticism. The analysis will draw upon I.A. Richards's pioneering work, Practical Criticism, which brought this concept into prominence. Understanding stock response. Stock response can manifest in various ways, from the repetitive and cliched reactions of readers to predictable characterizations and themes employed by authors. Readers often fall back on conventional interpretations or knee-jerk reactions, failing to delve deeper into the subtleties of a text. Similarly, authors might resort to familiar tropes or character archetypes, leading to formulaic storytelling. In both cases, stock response stifles creativity and intellectual engagement, hindering the full appreciation of literary works. I.A. Richards's contribution to stock response. I.A. Richards's work, Practical Criticism, plays a pivotal role in popularizing the term stock response. In Chapter 5 of the book, Richards presents a series of unidentified poems to students, asking them to provide critiques. The responses he receives reveal the prevalence of stock response among readers. Many students offered superficial and conventional interpretations, highlighting the tendency to resort to preconceived notions rather than engaging critically with the text. Implications of stock response on literary appreciation. Stock response poses significant challenges to the study and appreciation of literature. When readers respond with preconceived notions and stereotyped reactions, they risk overlooking the unique qualities of a work. This can lead to misinterpretations, lack of depth, and a failure to grasp the author's intentions fully. On the other hand, authors employing stock response might produce formulaic or unoriginal work that fail to resonate with audiences. Breaking away from stock response. To overcome stock response, both authors and readers must adopt a more open and critical approach to literary analysis. Authors should strive for originality, avoiding overused tropes and characters. They should aim to challenge societal norms and provoke thought through their writing. Similarly, readers must cultivate a willingness to explore various perspectives and interpretive possibilities, avoiding hasty judgments. Stock response in modern criticism. The concept of stock response remains relevant in modern literary criticism, especially in the age of social media and instant reactions. The prevalence of online reviews and quick judgments has exacerbated the problem of stock response, as readers often form opinions based on surface-level impressions without deeper engagement. Conclusion. In conclusion, stock response in literature refers to the habit of offering stereotyped and conventional reactions to literary works, hindering genuine appreciation and understanding. I.A. Richards's work on practical criticism shed light on this phenomenon, emphasizing the need for both authors and readers to break away from these limitations. By fostering critical thinking and embracing originality, the literary community can move beyond stock response and unlock the true potential of literature as a transformative art form. So this was the discussion on the term stock response. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.